In this video, I'm going to show you a strategy that is earning thousands of dollars every single week. A passive income nest egg strategy that will pay out for years to come, that generates a passive income of around $120,000 to $200,000 every single year. A strategy that is fed by leveraging other streams of incomes that generate $25 a week, hundreds of dollars a week, or even thousands of dollars a week, all building the fund inside the nest eggs that will generate $120,000 to $200,000 each year. In this first nest egg, it generates 60 to 70% APY. So let's say that you had $120,000 in this first nest egg. That would generate an income of $72,000 to $84,000 every single year. And if you had $200,000 in this nest egg, that would generate an income of $120,000 to $140,000 every single year. Would that help for your retirement? Now you're probably looking at the screen and saying, Jeremy, I don't have $120,000 to put into this nest egg. But don't worry, this strategy leverages other passive incomes to build the funds inside your nest egg. Now before we go any further, I have to put out the disclaimer. You'll find a copy of this below the video in the description. So let's have a look at the first nest egg. The remaining part of this video is inside my VIP training program. If you'd like to get access to my VIP training program and find out what the first nest egg is and how we're going to build those funds, then carry on watching. Let me and my team teach you on how to have a real passive income where you can earn potentially thousands of dollars every single month, just like I am in real life. Inside my VIP training program, you will get access to live training. This is not video training. This is one-on-one training where you can ask questions and get the answers to all those questions. So in this training program, you'll get access to the VIP Telegram group where you can interact with me and my team and other members inside the group. You'll get training on how to set up wallets. You'll get training on centralized exchanges, on how to set up a centralized exchange, how to use a centralized exchange, how to send and receive cryptocurrency, how to exchange fiat currencies like your pounds, your dollars and your euros for cryptocurrency. Connecting your bank account to a centralized exchange so that you can get your money in and out of your bank when you start to make profits. And how to buy and sell cryptocurrencies. In the live training part 2, you're going to get risk and track management. DEX setup. A DEX is a decentralized exchange. How to use a DEX. LP tokens on a DEX. Connecting your wallet to DEX, how to buy and sell crypto on DEX, and keeping your wallet safe. Then in part 3, you're going to know how to add networks to your wallets, how to add coins to your wallet, yield farming and staking. This is where you're going to build your real passive income that pays you day in and day out, week in, week out, month in, month out, year upon year. Absolutely mind-blowing what you can earn inside some of the sites that we're going to teach you on. DAOs, have you ever heard of DAOs? Decentralized autonomous organizations. Don't worry, we're going to show you how DAOs can change your life really. Launchpads and IDOs, how to use blockchain scanners. We're going to show you how to use a blockchain scanner. What is a blockchain scanner? Well, a blockchain is what Bitcoin runs on, Ethereum runs on, Tron runs on. They all run on different blockchains, and we're going to show you how to use those and how to identify transactions so you can keep a track of everything that's going on to do with blockchains. How to find smart contracts. What are smart contracts? You're going to be an expert in all of this stuff by the time you get to the end of our training program. How to identify real coins from scams. And then the live training part 4. Well, this training is ongoing. This is going to be ongoing all the time, keeping you up to date with all the new stuff that's coming into the marketplace. How to identify new coins with a potential of 10x, 100x, 1000x or more ROIs. Mind-blowing. Access to new DAOs that come out. Access to new yield farms and staking that comes out. How to identify new IDOs. Don't worry if you don't know what an IDO is. It's an initial DEX offering. We're going to train you on all that stuff as well. NFTs, non-fungible tokens. Wanted to know about that? We're going to train you on that as well. There's a lot of money being made in the NFTs at the moment. Loan arbitrage. What is loan arbitrage? Well, you borrow some money from one site and they'll charge you, say, 9% a year, and you could take that same money, put it on another site, and earn interest of 12% a year. So you're earning money on money that's not yours. Absolutely mind-blowing. We're going to teach you that as well. Just to give you an example of a coin that I bought recently, and sold the coin at $259. That's just over 700% ROI. Absolutely mind-blowing. We're going to train you how to earn 12% a year, 63% a year, 69,000% a year via yield farming and staking. So are you interested in getting access to my VIP training? If you are, give me a like and leave me a comment for info, and I'll send you some details on how you can get access to my live training. This training is like nothing else you'll find on the internet. Nobody is teaching you this stuff, and I'm going to take you step by step and show you what I'm doing and how I'm making thousands of dollars every single week doing all of this stuff. Leave me a like, give me a comment, and I'll send you some information of how you can get access to my VIP training. You have a great day. Bye now.